What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Deanna. Today I'm installing this wig that I got from Cynosure hair. All the information, of course, will be in the description box below. So let's get into this wig because this is a super cute. This is I think it's either a 24 or 26 inch, I'll have it on the screen, water wave pre-cut, pre-bleached wig, right? Of course, all the beautiful specifications, but look at this back here. So of course you have your elastic band, but this has a hidden strap on the back of the wig here so that you can do a whole bunch of updos. And of course I'm going to show you like how this works. So here you can see it has a comb, but to use this feature you're going to pull this drawstring here, and you see as I pull the drawstring the back of the wig gets tighter and tighter. This is so that it can fit snug to the back of your head so that you can do cute up like ponytails, updos, and all of that. And then you'll just take this little piece right here, the round piece, and pull it down to tighten it. But I just wanted to show you how it works, and then you can just pull it back out like this. And then it has two on the other side as well. So look, you pull the little drawstring here, and then you'll just tighten it with that little clear piece. But I'm going to show you later how to install it, but that's just what it looks like. And of course this texture here is really cute. But really quickly, I just want to show you what came in the bag. So first they give you a wig band to tie down your edges. They give you some cute lashes. They give you a wig cap, as well as this makeup brush. And then also a care card here that shows you more information about the wig and how to use it and all that good stuff. But yeah, if you want to see me install this wig, you got to keep on watching. Alright, so jumping right into the video, the installation and the prep of this like install is going to be typical to like any other wig. So I'm just putting on my wig cap, and then I'm going to use my cream makeup that I got from Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to take my flat top brush and just color the top of my wig cap like that. You actually don't have to use a wig cap. This is completely optional, or you can do the wig cap method, like if you want to, you know, do the wig cap method or whatever. I actually stopped doing the wig cap method. I've not done that in so long, but if you want to do that, you definitely can. And then so after you're done with your wig cap, we are going to take the wig and slide it on our head. So I'm going to pull the elastic band behind my hairline and just pull the wig back, and then just adjust it so that it fits comfortably on my head. Put in that comb in the back, and this is pre-cut lace, so I'm just going to make sure the lace is laying how I need it to lay given my hairline. So I know y'all see my little funky hairline right there, so of course I'm going to have to do some baby hairs with this style, which is fine because I'm used to it. But once I make sure that the wig and everything is fitting how I need to around my ears and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and tighten this drawstring. So I'm going to pull the string here on the side, and I'm going to push up on that clear plastic piece, and then I'm going to tuck it underneath the wig, and I'm going to show you again on the other side. But that's how you adjust the back of the wig. It's super simple. You're basically just pulling to adjust. So I'm going to do it one more time, pulling the string, and then I'm going to push that clear. Well, first I'm going to make sure everything, you know, fits right, and then just pull up on that clear plastic piece to make it tighter and to hold it in place, and then you can see what I'm talking about. And then just to hide the string, you can just tuck it inside. You don't want to cut it or anything too much, because you're going to need it again when you take the wig off. And then you can just see what the back of the wig looks like. It creates like a seamless like look basically. Personally, I am going to be using glue just to lay down the front of the wig because of the type of hairline that I have. But if you want to use like a tape, like the wig tapes or any other method to install it, you can do whatever you want. Like this is a regular wig. The only difference is that the back of the wig has that drawstring that I showed you. So right now I'm just cleaning off my hairline and then putting on some glue here. I'm not going to apply too much though, because this wig really didn't need all of that glue. It actually, the lace is really, really good and it stuck really well to my head. So I just did like one layer of glue. Alrighty, so this is pre-cut lace, and we all know I have a low hairline, So I have to put baby hairs on the sides just to cover up my natural hairline. But if you have a regular hairline and you don't want baby hairs, you don't have to do this. If you do have a hairline similar to mine, this is just a little trick that I do to cover up my low hairline, so that it blends more seamlessly with the wig. Now I'm just going to take some adhesive spray and spray it along the hairline just to get it to stick a little bit better. That's kind of why I pulled these two sides tight so that this can stick pretty good. And then I'm using my blow dryer here just to, make the little adhesive tacky, like or sticky, or to dry it a little bit. And then I'm just going to do the same thing just in sections. So because I am going to be doing an updo, like a ponytail a little bit later, I'm just going to take my hot comb and go along the perimeter of the hair in the front just to make it look a little bit sleek. If I wanted it like super sleek, then I probably would have used like a wax stick, freeze spray and all that. But I really wasn't too concerned about that because I kind of wanted to do like a messy updo ponytail type of vibe. But yeah. Go ahead and do that, and then I'm just going to take some more of my cream makeup and wipe it along my hairline just to blend that lace a little bit better. So before I do the updo or anything, first I just want to see what it looks like down, because down is cute too. So I just did a little middle part, and then I used my little curling iron here to make the top flat. And then I'm going to use the same wand just to define some of the curls. Now this is like a water wave, so if you want to like spray water on it or do some mousse or something like that, you can. But I knew I wanted to dry style the hair, so that's why I'm just taking my little curling wand and just defining some of the curls like around my face, just so I can get like a better idea of what the wig will look like down without having to use any water. And I really like how it looks down. Like, it's super cute. I just did like a cute little flip over here. The waves are so pretty. The hair is very lightweight, but it's full. So I think this is like 220 density, 220, something like that. It was at the beginning of the video. But yeah, it's really full, really nice, and it styles really easily. And now I'm just going to pull the hair up into a ponytail so I can show you what you came here for, which is the back part, because that is the main part of this wig. It's the fact that you can throw this into a ponytail and not worry about your lace showing or any wig tracks showing in the back, right? Because everything, like everybody really just wants really good versatility in a wig. You want to be able to throw the hair around like it's your real hair, and that's what I love about this wig. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can do virtually like whatever to it. So yeah, I'm just putting it in a quick little ponytail. And get into the 360 view of this wig. Absolutely stunning. It even has the little short little baby hair pieces at the back that you can pull down to cover like the back part of your head, just to make it look more natural, like the little wispy pieces. So now I'm just gonna cut some of my little like loose hairs that I have leaving out of the ponytail, just to make it look a little more natural and zhuzh up this little updo high ponytail thing really quickly. Yeah, because it's super cute. And now I'm just gonna wrap it into a little bun so you can really see what we're working with here in the back. I just wanted to get you let you get a better idea of what the wig looks like. But yeah, definitely check out this wig. All the information will be in the description box below. This wig is definitely worth it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.